Hi, this is Amanda with Cityside Fiber. We've received your order and I'm calling to schedule your free installation.
Great, how does it work?
So it's a two-step process with an outside and an inside connection. If your utilities are overhead, we'll run a fiber line from the nearest pole to your home. But since you're in an underground area, here's how it works. We'll schedule a service drop technician to meet you for a 10 to 20-minute consultation to plan the installation and get your feedback. We will also coordinate with other utilities and mark their locations for safety. Those markings will be cleaned up after installation. This process will take about a week before we can proceed.
Got it. And then what happens?
Right now, we'll be scheduling both the outside and inside installations. The outside connection takes about 2 hours, and we'll ensure everything is restored properly. You don't need to be there the whole time. Then our install technician will make a connection from the box at the side of your house inside to provide your internet service, connecting the fiber to our brand new Wi-Fi router that is included with your Gig Life package.
So I have an old router system I bought a few years ago. Should I use that instead of your router?
We can install a modem only for that, but our equipment is optimized for the Cityside Fiber network. With your old router, your system and Wi-Fi can be slower and less reliable. Also, you won't have access to the MyCity Wi-Fi app.
Can your tech confirm that the Wi-Fi will reach around the house?
Of course, during the installation process, we will test both the hardwired connection at the base, as well as the Wi-Fi signal strength at different parts of your home. An outdoor Wi-Fi extender is also included with the 5 gig everything and everywhere package.
That's great. We can't wait.
Okay, let's get your install scheduled. Cityside Fiber, connecting you to the Gig Life.